great. Welcome to Two Careys, Improv-a-ganza here at the MGM Grand on the Game Show Network. Let's get the show started. Alrighty. I'm going to walk into the crowd here and see what I can find. Get some nice people from the audience. Why don't you come on stage and help me out? What's your name?
Yeah!
What's your name?
Lynette.
Lynette. How about a hand for Lynette? Lynette's going to make her way down stage. Lynette, go ahead. Go down there, Lynette. And, buddy, what's your name?
Cooper.
Cooper, come on up here, Cooper. Oh, yeah, for Cooper. Cooper, come this way, buddy. Cooper, how old are you, buddy?
11.
11? Cooper, over here, buddy. Cooper. Stand right here. Take the microphone. Cooper and Lynette. You have these microphones because we are playing a game called Sound Effects. Yeah. Anytime these guys need a sound effect or make a suggestion for a sound effect in the scene, you supply it. So if Jeff decides he's going to open up a door, you make the door sound like this. Yeah, nice and loud. Put the microphone right to your face, make it nice and loud. Cooper, if Ryan was going to drive a car, it would sound something like this probably. If he was going to pretend to drive a car, you would do this.
It's already did, Cooper.
All right, Cooper, way to go. That's how you do it. Now, they're going to do a game called Sound Effects, and what I need for the audience is a suggestion of some kind of profession where when you get done for the day, you probably need a shower. Garbage man. Take it away. You guys are garbage men. Something to do with garbage men.
Oh, boy, am I hungover. It was a long night last night. My stomach is still rumbling.
You don't sound good at all.
No, that can't be good.
Yeah. Oh, there goes the work bell.
Ding, 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 ding.
Time to start.
Time to start.
All right.
Boy, I wish we could get a new truck. This thing has got to be 50 years old.
Nothing wrong with this truck.
It is so noisy. The brakes squeak, the engine rattles. No one's even in it.
It doesn't matter. It's old Betsy. She hauls more garbage than any other truck we've ever had here. Just put on your clothes. I'm gonna put on my quiet boots so the garbage can't hear me sneaking up on it. That is one sexy outfit. All right, let's get in old Betsy.
All right.
Slam.
You might be right, my door won't shut at all. Oh, now it's all right.
Oh, do you mind if I turn on some Howard Stern?
I don't think that's a good idea. I don't think that's a good idea.
I love talk radio.
Yeah, I'm not sure that's a good idea.
Howard Stern it is.
Oh, hey.
Click.
Oh, and I've also started the truck at the same time. Here we go.
These talk radio shows, all they do is chatter and chatter. Talk radio shows, nothing but chatter.
Well, the weather today is sunny.
Boy, they're right.
Oh, here we are.
My door keeps falling off. I'm just
I
gonna
told
throw
you
it
the
back
truck
with everything else.
The truck is 50 years old.
She'll do.
Oh, this house, I hate this house. This is the woman who has all the cats.
Your stomach all right?
Oh, I told you.
All right, let's dump some of this stuff in the back.
All right.
I'm so heavy I had to grunt twice.
Kerplunk.
Oh, somebody threw away a perfectly good kerplunk.
All right, time to hit the trash compactor. Pack it in.
Here we go.
Our truck just flew away.
You had that all planned, didn't you?
Yeah.
You've never liked this truck from the start.
Never did. I like picking up trash the old-fashioned way, using my muscles.
Powerful.
You haven't heard the last one.
Magnificent.
And together they are.
Awesome. Wild.
Flex the old butt cheeks.
Beyonce.
Will you stop, please? Stop it. Stop it. Look, we've lost the truck. We have nothing to put the garbage in. You're flexing your muscles. Well, how are we going to get out of here? We can't even... There's nothing happening.
Powerful.
No, there it is.
Magnificent.
You know,
Beyonce.
Omnipotent.
I got to work out. All right. Oh, my God. It's that rival truck company, the garbage people that we hate.
I hate those guys so much.
Wah, wah.
Is that your muscles again?
No, it's my internal soundtrack.
We're going to have to get in a fight with these guys and take their truck. I'll start punching the guy.
Okay.
You hop around back.
I'll get in my helicopter and fire some explosives at him.
But flex your muscles before you get in.
All right.
Powerful. Magnificent. Beyonce.
Punch, 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 punch. Bruises, bleeding. Internal bleeding. Multiple problems.
This guy, he's bleeding inside.
Doctor bills.
All right.
$1,000 worth of damage.
I did a lot of damage.
How much?
I did maybe $1,000, I don't know. This guy's really beat up.
Oh my God, you must have done $1,000 worth of damage to that guy. Oh, we're gonna get in trouble now.
Oh, wasn't my act.
In England. Powerful, magnificent, Beyonce.